Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorials. Today we are going to learn about drawing and saving image using the Node Canvas package. So we are going to draw and save that image in our folder. So let's see how we are going to do it. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel and hit like to this video. So I'm going to start with the package. So here I'm going to init with the new project. So here I'm going to write npm init minus y. Okay, done. So this project is ready. Where is package.json? Okay, I need to create a new folder, I guess. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, this is done. So we are going to install with the package. This is we are going to use this package, that is node modules, which has the high downloads, right? So I'm going to use this one package. I go to this one and I'm going to install this npm canvas. Done. Create a new file over here, open in terminal, touch index.js, right? So this file is there. Okay, open this file, and whatever we have write it over here, we have to add it, this one. So this is the file that we have to add, index.js. Okay, so load example. So this needs to be added in the root folder, any kind of image. So I'm going to add it. Okay, so I'm going to take it from the pictures, screenshots. We can take any of the screenshots we have. We will take this as a screenshot over here, where we go with the html. We have a javascript. Okay, we are going to paste this one, screenshot, rename. So this is the file. Okay, we am going to add with this one because this is in the root folder. Okay, let's make it renew with this one only. Rename test. Okay, I'm going to add it over here. This is screenshot. Okay, let's create and generate this one. Okay, so what we have added here, you can see that this is node canvas. Okay, so here is a quick example. You can see that create canvas and load image. Okay, so canvas, we are going to create the canvas by 200 by 200, context that is 2D. Okay, we are writing the 30x impact, rotate, awesome. Okay, after that we have this stroke, color, begin path, line 2 we have added, and then stroke we have added. We have adding a draw line under a text. After that, draw cat with the line helmet. Okay, so we have added this one. Then we are going to console.log where it should be, right? So here we go with this one. Okay, so like this we are going to add node index.js. So you can see that this is the file, which is the image source, this one. If I'm going to print like this one, okay, here we go with this one and copy this one. And if I go and check this one over here, you can see that this is the drawing that we have done. This is my image that I have added, and this is the drawing, line drawing, that we have added. So this is the data that we are getting from this one. Whatever we are drawing, we have drawn, and now we have the right that we can create this image and upload that in any folder or save that any folder right now, because we have this base 64 image part, right? So this is how we can draw the canvas and get into that one, right? So if you want, if you have some kind of requirements just like this, so you can do that part, right? Okay, so you I can see that we have added successfully that part. Okay, so any issue, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.